the Tesla Model Y couldn't get any better. Think again. The 2026 update brings a fresh twist to one of the best-selling EVs on the planet, and it might just be the smartest Tesla yet. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we dive into the latest and greatest in electric mobility. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Tesla Model Y, and whether it still earns its spot as the go-to electric SUV. Design: Tesla didn't reinvent the wheel here, but the 2026 Model Y has refined styling, with sleeker lines, a sharper front fascia, and new aerodynamic wheels that not only look better, but help boost range. It's a subtle evolution, not a revolution, but one that makes the Model Y feel more premium than ever. Performance: under the hood, or should we say under the floor, you'll find enhanced battery efficiency and improved dual-motor all-wheel drive. The performance trim rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 3.8 seconds. But even the long-range version offers plenty of zip and a smoother, quieter ride, thanks to refined suspension tuning. Features and tech. Inside, Tesla's minimalist cabin returns, but smarter. The 2026 model introduces a new 17-inch central display with improved responsiveness, haptic feedback controls, and ambient lighting. Enhanced autopilot is more capable than ever, and the upgraded driver monitoring system ensures hands stay where they're supposed to. Conclusion: so is the 2026 Model Y still the king of electric crossovers? It's smarter, sleeker, and more efficient. And yes, it's still a top contender. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more future-focused car content. See you in the next one.